Rokuro. Today I'm going to talk about one of my freshest experience to produce this wooden ball. I made this wooden ball in Japan when I was 5 years old. It passed 3 years already. Now I'm going to show you the video how to make the wooden ball with high-speed spinning propeller wheel. Here we go! This is the wooden ball that I made. Have you ever had similar experience? It was real exciting time to use the spinning machine. It was quite difficult for me to carve lines on this ball with a chisel. Can you see some lines? La la. This is, do you want to see the inside? Nothing inside. But later, I'm going to put miso soup. I eat miso soup with my original bowl every day. Itadakimasu. Very good. I think I found something. Looks like a colorful. A lot of seaweed. Seaweed is my favorite food. If you like this video, click the good button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.